Welcome to a world of sweet Valentine delights. Today I'm sharing 4 irresistible treats: chocolate strawberry clusters, Heart Pretzel Bites, Pink Rice Krispie Hearts, and chocolate-dipped marshmallow pops. Let's dive into these adorable, delicious creations. Let's start with chocolate strawberry clusters. Fresh, juicy strawberries are washed and chopped into bite-sized pieces. Then we melt silky dark chocolate until it's smooth and glossy, almost like liquid velvet. The strawberries are gently folded in, each piece coated with chocolate, creating little clusters that are both fruity and decadent. Using a spoon, we drop the mixture onto parchment paper, letting each cluster form its own rustic shape. Once set, you have bite-sized chocolates with bursts of bright strawberry, sweet, rich, and utterly irresistible. Next, we are making Heart Pretzel Bites, a sweet and salty combination that's perfect for Valentine's Day. Heart-shaped pretzels are arranged neatly on a baking sheet, and a chocolate candy is placed in the center of each. As the chocolate softens, we gently press a tiny candy heart into the middle, creating a perfectly festive little bite. Once the chocolate sets, each pretzel becomes a crunchy, sweet and salty treat that's not only delicious but absolutely adorable for gifting or snacking. Now it's time for Pink Rice Krispie Hearts. Marshmallows are melted with a touch of butter until they are stretchy and gooey, then tinted a soft pastel pink for that perfect Valentine's look. Crispy rice cereal is then folded in, coating every piece in fluffy pink marshmallow. The mixture is pressed into a pan and then cut into cute heart shapes. These treats are crunchy, chewy, and perfectly pink. Fun to make, fun to eat, and a classic way to celebrate Valentine's Day with a nostalgic twist. Finally, chocolate-dipped marshmallow pops. Simple, festive, and so much fun to decorate. Large marshmallows are slid onto sticks and dipped into smooth, melted chocolate. While the chocolate is still soft, colorful Valentine sprinkles are added, sticking perfectly to the glossy coating. Once set, the pops have a shiny, polished finish and look as good as they taste. They are perfect for gifting. And there you have it, 4 delightful Valentine's treats. So grab your spatula, your chocolate and heart-shaped cookie cutters and let the fun begin. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my effort, please like and subscribe.